The original Cavan and Leitrim Railway opened in 1887 and closed in 1959. It was the last steam-only railway in Ireland famous for the Origna coal exports. The railway's closure brought devastation to the local community, and the line was ripped up, stations sold, locomotives and rolling stock scrapped, and generations of staff who worked the line made redundant. Less than 40 years later, a group of railway enthusiasts formed the Cavan and Leitrim Railway Museum at Dromod in County Leitrim. With it, they put back a piece of history that was thought would never live again, and yet sleeper by sleeper, rail by rail, a small part of the original railway came back to life to what it is today as an award-winning heritage railway museum. We're not just an ordinary museum with artefacts and cases, but a living museum. Our volunteers give up their weekends to show visitors how railways worked and continue to work day to day, keeping traditional skills alive. We work in the original engine shed from 1887 with our steam locomotive Nancy. We use the very same station building to greet members of the public as it was built for in 1887. We use the very same skills used over decades to restore and rebuild the railway line so that our visitors can experience vintage rail travel and with it create our own railway heritage community. As part of Heritage Week 2023, the theme for Heritage Week is Living Heritage, of which our museum has brought the Cavan and Leitrim Railway back to life.